Okay, what common angle do triangle CDG and triangle FCE share? You should be able to look at it and see straight away that it is this angle right here. You should be able to see that straight away. But in case you can't, I'm going to outline these two triangles, and the angle where they overlap will be the angle that they share. There it is. That's where they overlap. You see that they overlap on sides, but the sides are not congruent. Like this part where that is overlapping with the other triangle doesn't go from vertex to vertex the same. Okay, they're not the same length. So that's not really helpful as far as we wouldn't be able to say that they share a side. They share a portion of a side, but nothing in a way where they start and end at the same place, and so where we can say that they're congruent. The one thing that we can say that's congruent is that angle C is congruent to angle C. And so we're looking at answer A, and we're done.